Hello world, how you doing? I'm just at the front of the coffee kiosk in Sanur on Jalan Tamblingan. With Winnie took a booster job today, so a little bit feeling dizzy and stuff like this. I'm gonna drive around Jalan Tamblingan and show you how it looks live around, guys. I hope so you will enjoy it, and sorry for the just driving today, but I need to also take a little bit of my health condition, so a little bit easy for me today. Alright, so this is the area of Sindu in Sanur, Bali, Indonesia, obviously, guys. Well, this is like a few bars and, well, few bars in general, so many bars here. Mostly in Sanur bars are on this Sindu area or in Danau Poso street next to this yellow warung. Seems like it's little traffic. It's quite busy in Sanur, I could say. Check this out, this guy who is carrying so many stuff. It seems been a while when I will see the traffic like this in Sanur, to be honest, guys. This is like very close to the Sindu night market. Sindu market in general, because at night is night market and during the day morning is morning market. Ponimango Hotel. And well, there if you go straight there is residential area in Sanur, very big one. And this is the, well, Jalan Tamblingan in Sanur already. Here is the Bali Made in Bali new place. Here used to be a Maybank, but Maybank is gone, leading now into popular hotspots in Sanur like you know, Hyatt, Massimo and many others. There are some hotels also surrounds. There is the construction of the mall in Sanur. I think I used to talk about this construction during the live stream when I was passing this this street, this area. The sand, and also here some construction. There is the Our Total entrance to Our Total Beach Club in Sanur. Unfortunately still closed, and seems like it's nothing going to be changed. This still seems closed. There's some construction also, which is actually seems alright. It's 4:30 p.m. Tanjung Sari entrance here, and Besakih obviously. Besakih Hotel used to vlog in the area not so long ago. Some priest is driving here. How I know is priest, because he have a white hat, not only udang but the full cover hat. That's the priest. That's it. Little information for you. This is the Starbucks in Sanur, the village. Also some of you might be familiar. Kria Santrian Hotel, familiar and missing these places around. Wicked Park. And yeah, this is like a little bit empty zone here. Not many businesses are open, and this is already the hotel Swiss Bell Casablanca. Casablanca now is open during the weekday, which is actually kind of big surprise. La Gava Hotel, Pepito Supermarket, La Gava Restaurant Hotel, Bread Basket. Pretty nice part of the Bali already in Sanur. I mean, Sayang Sanur. In general situation on the streets looks like this. Billy's, Forketa, Cafe Smorgas here. Seems like this truck is impatient and he's taking me over on the corner. Some foreigners here, check this out. They driving a car, white car, nice. There are definitely some new people coming to Bali. Sanur is famous for the expats community, but also so many newcomers. This is the area of the coffee kiosk here. And also Artosadana Hardy's shop. Here we go, guys. Not much is happening still in the market, however. Yeah, this restaurant is open. Another foreigner driving with X-Mac without helmet. Seems like maybe coming from Canggu, sightseeing Sanur. There are also some people actually who decide to live in Canggu. They're coming to Sanur for sightseeing, thinking to relocate. That's a new trend nowadays. So, well, let's see. Some bowl. Oops, this is the Akaya Bali. Bali Barber, great place for haircut. If you would like to join, not paid endorsement obviously, but owned by my friends. So here you go, buddy. Yeah, this is the Maya Sanur, and in general slow life in Sanur on Jalan Tamblingan, but well, at least something is happening. and Sanur is obviously totally different than Canggu, for example. When I vlogged yesterday, 2 days ago with Winnie, Sanur is totally different for totally different kind of people, guys. But I like to vlogging in Sanur because I live here. I like Sanur since long time, since I was still very young. I still like the Sanur for some reason. This is the forest next to Hyatt Regency and New Park. But also so many of you texting me, especially after my last video at morning in Sanur, you know, that I flew a drone and walk around 7:30 in the morning, as Sanur looks so good. And many of you who used to coming to Bali even for 20 years never been in Sanur, and now whenever you're gonna come, you're gonna choose to stay in Sanur, maybe in Hyatt or maybe in surrounds. And I'm so happy as you like Sanur thanks to my videos, guys. You know, that's, you know, make me happy. You know, I mean, I don't have any interest of this as you like the Sanur or not, but I'm happy as my videos, you like my videos and you appreciate what I do, and they are helpful for you and many of you guys. So that makes me happy. Anyway, this is European corner. There is the French baguette, there is the great British pub, it's closed actually. Italian restaurants, Abian Harmony Hotel, Trattoria, some Japanese restaurants, so many restaurants here, many European restaurants, especially like Italian cuisine and stuff like this. Also Indian, many of them like that. This corner. So here we go. This is legendary Massimo ice cream and restaurant. Italian restaurant seems quite busy as always, at least a little bit. And I'm gonna show you a little bit of the Gian Cemana, which is straight, also another fire, or maybe the same. The bottoms here are open, the shops, and if you're going straight here, you're gonna go into area of few hotels like Prama Hotel in Sanur and Mercure. And here we go. This is the corner of the now Pozo Street. There is little bit little Circle K convenience shop, something like 7-Eleven in other Southeast Asian countries. Now Pozo Street, also few many diving shops here. This industry is a little bit quiet, but so many bars like this one, for example, and so many other sports bars here. So Sanur also have a little bit a Kuta Legian vibe, guys, and not many maybe of you know that, but you can find actually some of the sports bars here with literally the same vibe like in Kuta or Legian. Maybe more expats actually here than people who are just tourists, but definitely there are places like this, and this is like a Sanur version of Kuta Legian. There's bars here, also many local food like Masak and Padang shops just next to the sports bars here. Check this out. There are some expats sitting enjoying their afternoon binge and Itama spice, and there's like a few restaurants just at the front. Is our total hotel also, guys, right? And this is it. This is the fire station, and this is the roundabout in Sanur Tamringan, starting over here where I just been 2 minutes ago. Here we go, guys. I will make one more shot of the Massimo ice creams because there is very busy, and maybe from this perspective will be look a little bit better, because I think the sun also was facing a little bit too much into lens. Here we go, guys. I will slow down. So many motorbikes, check this out, and so many people actually in the queue for the ice cream. Unbelievable. Little local legend in Sanur, and so many people actually here. And this is how it is. Sanur is waking up slowly, definitely a little bit more alive than it was. Beautiful weather. Next time maybe I will walk. I hope so you enjoy tomorrow live stream. I invite you everyone for that. Not sure what I'm gonna do tomorrow, so I cannot tell you now, but definitely will be the live stream tomorrow. I hope so you will join in my, this is the Arthur Sedana. Is sunny actually, I don't know if you can see, also very quiet, not so popular still for some reason. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care, guys.